on? Shane with Pacific Northwest Nerd Parents doing an unboxing. Got a headphone review to do, so stay tuned. So let's open this package right here. Got my scissors. So we got some headphones from Ludos. Really nice headphones. Gander out there. Come with a nice sticker. That's really nice. I like stickers. I'll keep that. Or my fiance does. A really nice storage bag to come with it. I like that. Headphones in. Lots of different headphones. Really nice quality of braided cord. That's really nice. Looks like we got a microphone, volume up and volume down, and we got the play. You can see that. Really nice braided cord on it. Might be really comfortable. Maybe got a thank you in there. Guys, got the headphones here, the Ludos headphones. Looks like it says Clamor on it. Really nice headphones. We're going to give these a try. This is a paid review, so you guys know. I really like this sticker. I'll end up using it. Dropping stuff outside. Sitting here in my backyard. How's everybody's quarantine going? Everybody staying healthy out there? Dongle. I am an Apple user. Any other Apple users out there? I'm going to plug these in, give them a listen to, and see how nice they are. Right away I can tell that they have really good sound cancellation in them, which is really good. They sound really good, a lot of good highs. Let's try the basses with something a little bit more rap, or something a little bit harder. Really good bass notes too. You can tell right away that you need to make sure that you have the right earpiece plugged into it, or else it's not going to be as nice, but it's really nice. Really good quality earpieces. It's almost like noise canceling, and it's really nice. Really memory foam. This is really different than most headphones. Most headphones are made of plastic or rubber, where this has a memory foam. So it really foams to the inner ear really nice. Really comfortable. You really can't feel it in your ear, but it's really good sound.
test out the buttons. Buttons work really good, feel really good. You can tell it's a metal on the inside right here. The microphone. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, this is Shane with another headphone review. So with the Ludos Clamor headphones. So give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like it, and see you later. Bye.